Jessica Tigitari. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how fruit jams are made, step by step.
Here, precise ratios of crushed fruit, sugar, and pectin are blended. It's this careful balance that creates the perfect flavor and texture every time.
Temperature stable. Ingredients optimal.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Each batch is carefully cooked to reach the perfect consistency.
We ensure quality at every stage.
These levels are slightly elevated compared to the last run.
Let's cross-reference with the baseline data. It falls within the acceptable range.
Perfect.
Only perfect jars move forward.
And that's how fruit jams are made. And then, from fresh fruit to delicious jars ready for your table.